Hello there, my name is Mickey Singh and today I will give you 5 sites where you can make money. But before that, can you like and subscribe and click on that bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos on how to make cash. So the 5 sites are at number 5 is swap.com. Number 4 is wonder.com, and at number 3 is taskrabbit.com. Number 2 is fiverr.com, and number 1 is upwork.com. I will leave the websites down in the comments, and thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.